Hi, second grade. Welcome back to application problems from Module 7. In your math journal, turn to the next blank page. At the top of the page, you're going to label it M7L8 for Module 7 less than 8 and put today's date. Be sure and cut out the problem and glue it to the top of your paper. Pause the video while you're getting your paper ready, then press play when you're ready to continue. All right, when we're solving word problems, we use the RDW strategy. You do not have the RDW written at the top of your paper, so you can go ahead and make this on your own by simply putting an R, a D, a W, and a W. The first thing we're going to do is read the problem and check for understanding to make sure we understand what we need to do. Kiko's brother says that he will trade 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels for a $1 bill. Is this a fair trade? How do you know? Now, I want to go back and circle all of my numbers. So first, I see that I have the number, or I have 2 quarters. I'm going to circle 2 quarters. I have 4 dimes. And I have 2 nickels. And all of that's going to make a $1 bill. So I need you right now to go ahead and circle that information on your prompt. Now I want to find out what the problem wants to know. And the problem wants me to figure out, will this be a fair trade? And then it wants to know, how do you know? So make sure you underline those as well. So what I want to do is I am going to draw this problem out. I'm going to use coins, but I would like for you just to draw the coin out. You can put 25 cents in a circle to represent a quarter. You can put a dime within a circle, or 10 cents within a circle to represent a dime, or you can put a 5 cents in a nickel to represent the nickel. Or if you just want to put Q for quarter, D for dime, and N for nickel, that will work also. So what I want to do now is I'm going to check off that I've read the problem. Now I'm ready to draw and label. So I'm going to draw this problem out. I know that Kiko's brother says that he will trade 2 quarters. So I'm going to draw 2 quarters. So on your paper, go ahead and draw out 2 quarters. I also know that he has 4 dimes. So I'm going to put 4 dimes. So on your paper, please show 4 dimes. There's 2 dimes, 3 dimes, 4 dimes. I know that there are 2 nickels. There's 1 nickel and 2 nickels. Now that I have drawn, I've labeled it, I want to go ahead and try and put this into an equation. So I'm going to check off, and you need to do so also, that you've drawn and labeled. And now we're going to try and put this into an equation. Okay, so I have 1 quarter plus 1 quarter, 1 quarter plus 1 quarter plus, and I have 4 dimes. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to write 40 plus I have 2 nickels, which equal 10. So now my equation is 25 plus 25 plus 40 plus 10. And I want to find out if these coins would be a fair trade for a $1 bill. So if I have 25 and 25, that's going to give me 50. Then I'm going to add another 40 cents, 50 plus 40. And then I have my 10 cents. So now my equation is 50 plus 40 plus 10. I want to do some easy math here. So I know that 40 plus 10 gives me 50. And now I can say 50 plus 50 equals 100. And this 100 is the same as $1. So, is this a fair trade? And you should respond by saying, yes, it is fair. 100 cents equals $1. Go ahead and finish this problem. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know.